Which scale is used to measure the intensity of damage caused by an earthquake based on human observation?
Mercalli scale.
Which type of earthquake waves travel fastest and can pass through solids, liquids and gases?
Primary waves.
The point on the Earth's surface directly above the underground origin point of an earthquake is called the
Epicenter.
Ring of Fire. A horseshoe-shaped zone of frequent earthquakes and volcanic eruptions encircle which ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Which volcano in Italy is famous for its continuous minor eruptions and is known as the lighthouse of the Mediterranean?
Stromboli.
U-shaped valleys with steep vertical sides and flat bottoms are characteristic landforms created by
Glaciers.
mushroom rocks or pedestal rocks commonly found in desert environments are landforms formed by
Wind erosion.
which type of delta is formed by the Mississippi River resembling the foot of a bird?
Birdfoot Delta.
The Mid-Atlantic Ridge located in the Atlantic Ocean is a classic example of which boundary movement?
Divergent boundary.
Which tectonic theory explains the large-scale movement of 7 major and several minor rigid lithospheric plates?
Plate tectonics.
Which is the largest enclosed inland body of water on Earth by surface area?
Caspian Sea.
The Strait of Malacca connects which two major bodies of water?
Andaman Sea and South China Sea.
Which strait separates the South Island of New Zealand from the North Island?
Cook Strait.
The Victoria Falls, one of the world's largest waterfalls, is located on which African river?
Zambezi River.
Which is the highest waterfall in the world located in Venezuela?
Angel Falls.
Grand Canyon, one of the most remarkable natural gorges in the world, was carved by which river in USA?
Colorado River.
Which country in Europe is geographically known as the Land of Thousand Lakes?
Finland.
Which European city built on a group of 118 small islands separated by canals is called the City of Canals?
Venice.
The Pampas grasslands located primarily in Argentina belong to which climatic category?
Temperate grasslands.
Which country is the world's leading producer and exporter of sugarcane?
Brazil.
Which city in Brazil is world famous as the coffee capital of the world due to its massive coffee trade?
Sao Paulo.
Major natural gas and petroleum reserves in the Middle East are heavily concentrated around which Gulf?
Persian Gulf.
Which plateau in India is world-renowned for its vast reserves of iron ore, coal and manganese?
Chota Nagpur Plateau.
Which line connects points of equal temperature on a meteorological map?
Isotherm.
What is the boundary zone separating the warm troposphere from the cold stratosphere called?
Tropopause.